Hi guys, and we are back. So we have Ipsy 2018. This is for the month of August. It's a $10 a month box, and you do get every month. So start opening it. I already opened my Ipsy number 1, and this is the Ipsy number 2. I do get 2 Ipsys, and I also do videos and compare and contrast between the Ipsys if you want to see that one as well. Ooh, we have something outside, and yeah, I love it. It's called Slim Glam SG32, I think, and it's like very shiny. I don't know about the brush. It looks like synthetic for sure, but I love the handle, and then it also has some rhinestones right there. I'm not gonna open it because I'm using one that I got in my BoxyCharm, and yeah, I don't need that one. And this bag looks really empty, but let's see what it came with. It's a total, no, well, the little package thing, I don't even read them. Is the bag. Let's see, the second thing, because I already got that one. It says the black tea London Classic Serum contains 100% pure black tea extract. The anti-aging skincare contains high quality black tea recognized in England. Tony Moly. This is after applying the skin, gently apply the appropriate amount to the skin along with the skin texture and pat your skin to enhance the absorption. So basically you put this in your whole face. I don't know how much it has. It doesn't look like that big. So it's from Korea. Nice. Yeah, it says 10 milliliters. So it's right there on the back, right on top. Then the third thing. Ooh, by Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter, and it's like that. Let's see, and the color is Moon Dust. Wow, I love it. Moon Dust right there. Pretty. I love it. The fourth thing is a Hikari. This is a cream pigment. Let's see, I always love these ones because they are very nice texture, very creamy, also like not too much how do you call that, color show off. And look, let me see, look at that one. It's amazing. I love it, and I've been into like reds lately, so not bad. So that's it. And then the last thing, I got a repeat, but it's so small that it's not really a repeat. It's like a good amount, and it's my MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. So that's about it. I did like what I got. I will talk to you more of which one I like better on my Ipsy versus Ipsy, so continue watching.